आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। माई नेम इज अरविंद किनौजिया and I warmly welcome you on my channel The Develop Mind. In today's video, I'm going to talk about self-introduction, where you are going to learn how to introduce yourself effectively and professionally. इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि हम अपने आप को एकदम इफेक्टिव तरीके से इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे करें। हम क्या बोलें अगर कोई हमसे पूछ ले अपने बारे में बताइए, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, तो इसका एकदम सीधा और सिंपल रिस्पॉन्स क्या होना चाहिए कि सुनने वाला एक ही बार में एकदम इम्प्रेस हो जाए और कहे हाँ, इस बंदे में तो दम है। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर योर फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन कैन बी द लास्ट इम्प्रेशन। मैं आपको एकदम पॉइंट टू पॉइंट चीजें बताऊंगा डेमो के साथ। आप इसे ध्यान से सुने और देखें ताकि इसके बाद जब भी कोई आपसे सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देने को कहे तो आप बिना घबराए, बिना झिझक के उसको आसानी से अपने बारे में बता सकें। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। एंड यस, बिफोर मूविंग अहेड, माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज सपोर्ट मी by hitting the like button below, subscribe the channel and share it as much as you can. Tell me about yourself. अपने बारे में बताइए। जब भी किसी से भी पहली बार सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देने को कहा जाता है तो वो एकदम घबरा जाते हैं, समझ नहीं पाते कि अपने बारे में अब क्या बताऊं। मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि जो 12th और ग्रेजुएशन के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो भी अपने बारे में नहीं बता पाते। Actually, last month I visited at my native place and I met several students over there who were pursuing their graduation and 12th. And when I asked them, tell me about yourself, they were like, oh my god, what to say? And when I told them they can speak in their mother tongue if they were not comfortable in English language, and then they tried, but they could not give me the proper answer what I was expecting from them, and that left me in shock. इतना पढ़ लिख के क्या मतलब अगर आप अपने बारे में किसी को अच्छे तरीके से बता नहीं पा रहे हैं। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इस टॉपिक पर एक डिटेल में वीडियो बनाऊं और उन तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को शेयर करूं जो पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अपने बारे में भी जान सकें। एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर स्टडीज एंड यू आर फ्रेशर looking for your first job, then this video is going to help you a lot to crack your first interview successfully. The tips I'm going to share are for all the students and candidates who are fresher and looking for their first job. Honestly, I followed the same tips when I was looking for my first job and I cracked my first interview successfully. So sit back and listen to me very carefully. There are 7 rules which you have to follow when you talk about yourself. Rule number 1, greet and thanks the interviewer. The moment you enter the interviewer room, you have to greet as per the time, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, and then thank the interviewer for shortlisting you for the respected position you have applied for. Tip number 2, name. Always say your full name. For example, my name is Arvind Kinojia or I am Arvind Kinojia. Tip number 3, address. Tell them originally where you are from and currently where you are residing. For example, basically I am from Uttar Pradesh, that is my native place, and currently I have been living in Mumbai for over 10 years. And then tell them your current address. Tip number 4, qualification. Tell them about your last qualification and university name. If you have completed your schooling from some different state and you have graduated from some different state, please do mention to the interviewer. For example, I have completed my SSC and HSC from my native place, that is UP board, and I have graduated from Mumbai University. Always remember that you have to tell your last qualification only. Never mention your marks and percentage until and unless you are asked. Tip number 5, hobbies. Tell them about your hobbies. For example, my hobbies are playing badminton and reading storybooks. Keep in mind, always study about your hobbies because interviewer may cross-question you about your hobbies. For example, why do you like badminton? Why not some other game? What kind of story do you like? So study well about your hobbies. Tip number 6. Strength. Tell them about your strength. What kind of strength do you have? And as per my opinion, never tell your weaknesses to the interviewer. Tip number 7 is goal. What is your goal? What is your short-term goal and long-term goal? Please keep in mind that while having the conversation with the interviewer, you must have to put little smile on your face and maintain proper eye contact. So now I will give you a demo. How would I respond when somebody asks me, tell me about yourself? So watch me very carefully. Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. Well, my name is Arvind Kanodia. Basically, I'm from Uttar Pradesh, that is my native place, and currently I have been living in Mumbai for over 10 years. I live in Mulund East, Mumbai. About my qualification, I have completed my SSC and HSC from my native place, that is Uttar Pradesh board, and I have graduated. I have done BSc in mathematics from Mumbai University. About my hobbies, I like to play badminton and I like to read storybooks as well. My strengths are I'm a quick learner and I'm self-motivated. About my goal, my short-term goal is to get a job in some reputed company where I can enhance my skills and knowledge. And my long-term goal is to get respected position in some reputed company. Thank you so much. See, whenever you speak, take a deep breath and be calm. Have a little smile on your face and then speak. I strongly believe if you follow the tips what I have shared in the video, then no one can stop you to crack your first interview successfully. I hope this video helped you to get an idea that how to introduce yourself in front of anyone, anywhere and anytime. If I might have made any mistakes in the video, you have my sincere apology. My huge love and respect to all. See you in the next video with an amazing topic. Till then, pranam.